megalayapost.news.
Kumbang kasngi banjit no ya ekonomi khmat MDC syakayeng darbar thawain ka Khasils Autonomous District Council kelajan poi satang di kisngi ki arngut ki kertong ke parti BJP mentakasi ki lathap kerteng yalade banlong kum kertong bapura banyakun ya ke election MDC ke ban selong ha ka arpoi tarik urempang arajar pesan kini ki arngut ki kertong ke BJP ki lathap kerteng mentakasi ki kentup yuba Rodney Singkli ubanyakun umsning constituency uba Manen Raja ubanyakun nanongpok constituency ha kini jinglai thap kerteng la sanan langru yaki dakinong yalam kinong kerjaan ke parti BJP. Hak bakila pendapura ya kejingtap kerteng hakmat ki returning officer nak benta banyo banyak aireng hak ini election MDC nak kita ki artilih constituency ke badan hak thain di boy.
Parti BJP kum kan jat BJP nak miskin konstitusi. Bat dengan job nganjelek ka bala ban yarap lek ba jong dong riboy nam ta put sam. Bat nak benta development ko per apo ka konstitusi. Pada juga por nak rapat yang tebak juga mesti konstitusi mungkin selang rekan-rekan bat nga hari ini juga kalau mbaka parti BJP kadek pasing syar ya ka di India dia ada nganjob nak BJP parti ngalak sibun menyerap ya tebak di konstitusi juga muslim bat banyak selang rekan-rekan berki.
I'm contesting from BJP party from 2 Nongpo constituency. So I'm so happy that at least party has given me to stand for the party, for the Nongpo people. And first time our party has coming up with the manifestos, and we are trying after winning the thing, honorarium to the traditional head, local head, like CM, Doloy, Dorbasnom, Sodar Sivan. And we are financial assistance also. We are going to give for the local domestic registered domestic workers, like a taxi driver, auto driver, laborers, widows, single mothers, and strengthen the our traditional practice. I mean healing practice with the help of Ayush Ministry, and we are trying after winning that border issue also we'll see after discussion with the thing. Then again we are looking for the transparent recruitment in the district council.
megalayapost.news.